Good morning, dear kids. I am your math teacher from Mount Litra Z School, Rampura Phul. And today we are going to start a new chapter of maths, that is chapter number 9, and the name of the chapter is Addition and Subtraction up to 99. Dear kids, in this chapter we have many parts. This chapter is divided into many parts. Like, first of all, we have addition of two-digit numbers, then we have addition of numbers with 0 at the place of ones, then we also have addition with carry. At the same time, then we pursue in the parts of subtraction, like subtraction of two-digit numbers, then subtraction with 0, and subtraction with carry. So first of all, today we are going to start with the first concept, and that is addition of two-digit numbers. Before I start with the addition of two-digit numbers, everybody, let me clear you that what are digits. What are digits? Let me give you one example. Here I am writing about numbers. First of all, let me write this number. If you see on the screen, I have written number 2. Here I have written only 2. Only 2. So we can say this is one digit number. This is one digit number. 2 is a one digit number. But now I am writing one more number. Here we have 27. Here I have written 27. Now if you see, in 27 we have two digits. First one is 2 and second one is 7. So here we have two digits. दो है बेटे, एक है 2 और second है 7. So this is a two-digit number. This is a two-digit number. So let me give you one more example. If I write the numbers in the form of using tens of and ones concept, using concept of tens and ones, then it will be more clear to you. Let me write here tens, ones. I have written 27 here. यहाँ पे भी I have written tens and ones, and I have written 7 here. If you see, यहाँ पे we have 7 at the place of ones. हमारे पास बेटा ones की place पे we have 7, but tens की place पे we don't have any number. यहाँ पे हमारे पास कोई भी number नहीं है. So यहाँ पे we have a number only at the place of ones. Ones की place पे we have a number, but tens की place पे यहाँ पे हमारे पास कोई भी number नहीं है. So we can say this is a one digit number. 7 is a one digit number. But if we compare these numbers, in this number we have 27. We have 7 at the place of ones. Ones की place पे बेटे we have 7, and 2 at the place of tens. So here we have 2. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास ones की place पे भी एक number है, and tens की place पे भी हमारे पास एक digit है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी we have digit, that is 7 at the place of ones, and यहाँ पे भी at the place of tens we have a digit 2. So दोनों tens and ones दोनों की place पे number है. So we can say this is a two-digit number. This is a two-digit number. So difference is here. This is the difference, that in one-digit number we have number only at the place of ones, and in two-digit numbers we have digits or number at both the places, at the place of tens also and at the place of ones also. So this one is a two-digit number. This one is a two-digit number. So now let us start with the addition of two-digit numbers. Here we have a sum. You look at the sum. Here we have number 5, 2, 4 and 3. First of all, let us write tens and ones over the numbers. So here we will write tens, and here we are going to write ones. tens and ones. Now we are going to start with the number, with the addition. If you see, here we have two numbers at the place of ones, and here we have two numbers at the place of tens. Now we start counting with the numbers. Let us start. The first, we have two numbers at the place of ones, 5 and 2. 5 and 2. So let us start counting. Here we have the number 5 at the ones place. Here देखिए 5 and 2. We have two numbers at the place of ones. And here we have two numbers at the place of tens, 4 and 3. Now let us start with the addition of these numbers. First, we are going to add the numbers which are given at the place of ones. Whenever we do addition, we are going to start from the right side, and that is the numbers which are given at the place of ones. Numbers which are given at the place of ones. So from here we are going to start with the addition. Here we have the number 5. So let us draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we have 2. So 1 and 2. Now let us count all the lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in total we have 7 lines. It means here we have got the number 7. 7 is the answer. Now after doing the addition of numbers which are given at the place of ones, now we are going to add these numbers which are given at the place of tens. So here we have 4 and 3 at the place of tens. This addition we have done, which is given at the right side. ये हमारा बेटे हो गया है, which are given at the ones place. Now we are going to start with the numbers which are given at the place of tens. So let us start from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have drawn 4 lines. And this number is 3. Let us draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Now let us count all the lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in total we have 7 lines. It means 4 and 3, 4 plus 3, they make 7. So now we have got the answer that 45 plus 32, this is 77. The answer is 77. And if you see both of these numbers, 45 and 32, both of these numbers are 2-digit numbers, because here we have got the numbers at the place of ones also, and here we have got numbers at the place of tens also. So 45 is also a 2-digit number, and 32 is also a 2-digit number. Now let us start with a few more examples, and the concept is going to be very clear to you. Again we are going to write tens and ones. ऊपर सबसे पहले हम लोग लिखेंगे tens and ones. As I told you बेटे, यहाँ पे we have numbers at the place of tens also, 4, and at the place of ones also. So this is the 2-digit numbers. यहाँ पे भी we have a number 0 at the place of tens and 2 at the place of ones, and this is again a 2-digit number. Now let us start with the addition of 2-digit numbers, and first of all we will add the numbers which are given at the place of ones. जो बेटे ones की place पे दिए हुए हैं, पहले हम लोग उन numbers को add करेंगे. Or we can say which are given at the right side. Ones is always given at the right side. ठीक है, these numbers are given at the right side. So we are going to start with these numbers only. Now let us draw the lines and let us start with the counting. Here we have the number 1. So here we are going to draw 1 line. Then we have the number 2 and 1 and 2. So here we have drawn 2 lines. Now let us count all the numbers together. 1, 2 and 3. So after counting all the numbers together, we have got a new number, and the number is 3. The number is 3. Now let us start counting the numbers which are given at the place of tens. It means we can say that the numbers which are given at the left side. So let us start with the addition of these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we have number 4, and we have drawn 4 lines. Now we have the digit 0. Here we have the digit 0. And in the previous videos also, if you remember, I told you that we are not going to draw any of the lines for the number 0. The reason is that 0 has no value. If only the single digit 0 is given, it means it has no value. So we are not going to draw any of the line for the number 0. यहाँ पे 0 की कोई भी line नहीं लगेगी. So it means here we have only 4 lines to count, because 0 की we are not going to draw any of the line. बेटे 0 की line कभी नहीं लगती है. If 0 is given in a single digit form, अगर 0 अकेला है तो उसकी line नहीं लगेगी. तो यहाँ पे now let us count all the lines together, because 0 की तो लगाई ही नहीं है. So only 4 lines are left to us. Now let us start with the counting of these lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here we have got total 4 lines, and we are going to write the number 4 here. It means in total we have 4 lines at the left side and 3 lines at the right side. So we have got the number 43. It means after adding these 2-digit numbers 41 and 2, we have got the answer 43, and that is our answer. So I hope this whole concept is clear. Now we are going to move further in the same concept, that is addition of 2-digit numbers. But here we have a new concept, and the concept is that when at the place of ones both the numbers are given are 0. Let us start. Here let us write tens, and let me write here O. It means ones. Now if you see, यहाँ पे देखिए ones के नीचे जो हमारे पास 2 numbers हैं, they both are 0. बेटे यहाँ पे भी we have 0 and यहाँ पे भी we have 0. And I told you in the previous videos also, at the very beginning of the addition, I told you that we are not going to put any of the line, we are not going to draw any of the line for the number 0. Why? Because इसमें 0 का कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे 0 की लाइन नहीं लगेगी. So let us start with the addition of these numbers. We have a separate chapter, or we can say we have a separate concept of the these kind of digits, and a separate page is given to you in your book of maths. So now let us start with this concept. Here we have the number 0. It means we are not going to put any of the line for the same. Leave these digits as they are given, because line nahi lagegi. So it means if you're not putting any of the line, it means the answer will be 0 only, because 0 plus 0 will always give you 0. So here we have written 0 as the answer. At the place of ones we are going to get the number 0. And now let us start with the counting of these numbers, or with the addition of these numbers which are given at the place of tens, or you can say which are given at the left side, Here we have number 3. So 1, 2, 3. We have drawn 3 lines, and here we have number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines I have drawn. Now let us count all the lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we count all the lines together, the answer which we have got, that is 8. It means here we are going to write the answer 8. Now after the addition of these 2-digit numbers, we have got a new number, and that number is also a 2-digit number, and the number is 80. It means 80 is our answer. 80 is our answer. So 0 and 5 plus 3, 8. So 80 is the answer given here. So I hope this concept of addition of 2-digit number is all clear to everybody. And now let me show you the book exercise of the same. Yes, here these kind of sums are given to you in your maths book, and here also these numbers are given to you in your maths book. Fine. And after these two concepts of addition, that is adding two-digit numbers, we have one more concept of tens and ones. One more concept of tens and ones. So here we have tens, ones, tens and ones. Now let us start with the concept. If you see here on this page, we have 64 and 21. 64 and 21. Tens, ones, tens and ones. Boxes are given to you, and in these boxes you have to write the numbers which are given at the place of tens and which are given at the place of ones. So let us start with this kind of addition. Before I start, let me show you one example. Here we have 2 tens plus 9 ones, 1 tens and 0 ones. If you see in this sum, bete, यहाँ पे we have 29 and 1 0. 9 and 0, they are given at the place of ones. 2 and 1, they are given at the place of tens. So here we have written 2 and 1 at the place of tens, 9 and 0 at the place of ones. Now let us start, and let me give you one example. Look at this number 3, sum number 3. Let us write tens and ones over here. Tens and ones over here. If you see, we have two numbers given at the place of ones, and then we have two numbers given at the place of tens. 2 and 6, these are given at the place of ones. 5 and 2, these are given at the place of tens, and 2 and 6, these are given at the place of ones. Here you have some boxes, and in the boxes you have to write the digits which are given at the place of tens and which are given at the place of ones. जैसे if you see here, 5 is given at the place of tens. So यहाँ पे बेटा लिखा हुआ देखिए, बॉक्स के आगे it is written tens. बॉक्स के आगे क्या लिखा हुआ है? Tens. It means here you will write 5. 5. यहाँ पे you will write 5. जो ऊपर वाले हैं डिजिट्स वो आप लोग ऊपर लिखोगे, जो नीचे वाले डिजिट्स हैं वो हम लोग नीचे लिखेंगे. नंबर्स और डिजिट्स विच आर गिवन एट द टेंस प्लेस वो आप टेंस की प्लेस पे लिखोगे, विच आर गिवन एट द वंस प्लेस वो आप लोग वंस की प्लेस पे लिखोगे. सो यहाँ पे 5 and 2 वो जो है वो ऊपर दिए हुए हैं, ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने लिख दिया है 5 tens, ठीक है. एंड 2 ones, 2 इज गिवन एट द प्लेस ऑफ वंस और वो ऊपर दिया हुआ है. तो हम लोग भी जो ऊपर वाला बॉक्स है यहाँ पे वी विल राइट 2 ones, 2 ones. अब ऊपर वाले जो है वो दोनों डिजिट हम लोगों ने लिख दिए हैं, ठीक है. दोनों डिजिट वी हैव डन, टेंस ऑल्सो एंड वंस ऑल्सो. अब नीचे वाले देखिए, 2 is given at the place of tens, so here you are going to write 2. 6 is given at the place of ones, so here you are going to write 6. यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने 6 लिख दिया है. And now we have to add these numbers. So let us do addition here. 2 lines and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines. So 6 plus 2, let us count all the lines together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. It means at the place of ones we have got 8. So here we will write 8. And now after the addition of numbers at the ones place, we will add numbers at the place of tens. I told you कि पहले हम लोग वंस वाले की प्लेस वाले नंबर्स ऐड करेंगे एंड बाद में हम लोग टेंस की प्लेस वाले नंबर्स ऐड करेंगे. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड द नंबर्स विच आर गिवन एट द प्लेस ऑफ टेंस. द फर्स्ट वन इज 5. सो लेट अस ड्रॉ 5 लाइन्स. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 2. Let us draw 2 lines. 1, 2. Now let us count all the lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after adding these lines, we have got the number 7. So here we have got 78 as the answer. And now we have to write this answer in these boxes which are given to you. If you see, at the place of tens, we have got 7. So here we are going to write 7. At the place of ones, we have got 8. So here we have to write 8. At the place of ones, we are going to write 8. So this is the concept of tens and ones, that whenever you get these kind of sums in the exams, how to place the digit in the correct position. Digits which are given at the place of tens, we will keep them in the boxes which are given in the place of tens only. And the digits which are given at the place of ones, unko you will place in the boxes which are given in front of one. तो इस तरह से ऊपर वाले डिजिट्स हम लोग ऊपर वाले बॉक्सेस में लिखेंगे बेटे, नीचे वाले डिजिट्स हम लोग नीचे वाले बॉक्सेस में लिखेंगे. एंड आफ्टर बोथ ऑफ दीज बॉक्सेस आर फिल्ड, वी हैव गॉट अ लाइन हियर. यहाँ देखिए बीच में एक ब्लू कलर की लाइन है. एंड अंडर दिस लाइन वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द आंसर. एंड आंसर भी कैसे लिखेंगे? टेंस की प्लेस पे टेंस लिखेंगे, विच इज द बॉक्स इज गिवन टू यू. वंस की प्लेस पे हम लोग वंस लिखेंगे. सो इन दिस वे we will write the answer. So this was all about the session for the today. So this is the homework also, that whatever pages I have explained to you, we are going to do all these pages in your math book. That is the first page, then we have got this page, page number 84, page number 85, and page number 86. So you are going to complete all these pages in your maths book, and I hope that this whole concept is clear to everybody. So this was your maths teacher from Mount Litera Z School, Rampura. Thank you everybody, and have a nice day.